Hello YouTube world, this is Dantastic doing stuff. I am Dantastic, and if you're watching this, you most likely found some oil in the old air. What I'm going to show you is how to replace a PCV valve on a 2007 Cadillac STS. I already took the plastic piece off here. It just pops off, and the PCV valve is back here. First I removed the hose, removed the 45. Now it's time to remove that PCV valve. Now this is the left one. If you are replacing the right one, I don't know if you can see this back in there where the light's on. That will be the right one. I have it out. That's the old one. Right there's the new one. Gasket's good. Lots of oil there, and if I can, without a light, won't be able to see it. There's oil in there. It comes down and enters here. I went to change my air filter. If you are going to change an air filter on one of these, it's up underneath this panel, and this was loaded with oil. So I said PCV valve. That'll be the quickest, hopefully the easiest, best repair. I'm going to put this back in. Push it down. Push down pretty easy if you saw. I'm going to put back the 45, hook this back up, and then I'll remove this. Screw here, screw clamp here. I'll remove that and wash it out. That way it doesn't have tons of oil still in it. Looking in the 45, probably clean that out as well. Yep. Basic, simple, and easy. Hopefully save you a lot of oil and save a lot of future problems with your vehicle. This is Dantastic doing stuff. Have a safe day. Drive safe. God bless.